Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 8 mid-level 1 portfolio analysis. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email that is given in the description of this video. You can also see my email and WhatsApp showing at the bottom of the screen as well. So I have been doing courses for students since 2015. I can do your Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, Excel assignment and Access assignments that are linked to this course. You can help me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignment as well. So in this video I am going to show you how you can complete this assignment. I will start from step 1 and I will do the assignments till to the end of the last step. So please watch the complete video if you want to do this assignment. So let's go to the instruction file and solve this assignment step by step. So title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 8 mid-level 1 portfolio analysis. This is the 8th chapter. So first step of the assignment is to download the Excel sheet where we are supposed to apply all these steps given in the instruction file. So we are supposed to download the Excel sheet. I have already downloaded that file and I have shown you that file. This is the file where we are supposed to apply all the steps given in the instruction file. So we will follow these steps and then we will make this assignment in the final form. So our step number 2 is use the standard deviation function to calculate the standard deviation between the current values of all commodities in cell G3. So we are supposed to calculate the standard deviation between the current values of all the commodities in the cell G3 and we are supposed to use the sample function for the standard deviation because stddev.s is the function that is used for the sample standard deviation, and if we are using .p function then we are going to calculate the standard deviation for the population. So now we are going to calculate the standard deviation for a sample. That is why we are using the standard deviation.s function to calculate that standard deviation. So let's go to cell G6 and calculate the standard deviation. So this is cell G6 and we are supposed to use the standard deviation.s function here. So I will type equal sign and after typing the equal sign we will type the standard deviation.s function, this one. We are supposed to use this function because we are going to calculate the standard deviation for a sample. You can see the standard deviation.p function there as well. This function is used for the standard deviation of the sample. So I will click on standard deviation.s. Now we are supposed to enter the number and we are supposed to calculate the standard deviation between the values of all commodities. So our number will be from here to this one. Why we are using this range? Because we are supposed to calculate the standard deviation between the current values of all the commodities and the current values are given in column E from E4 up to E26. So we will get the standard deviation. This is the standard deviation that we got after using the standard deviation function. So that is all about step number 2. So we have completed step number 2. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. So in step number 3, it is saying that use the variance.s function to calculate the variance between the current values of all the commodities in cell G9. Now it is saying that calculate the variance between the current values of all the commodities in cell G9. Let me tell you that standard deviation.s and variance.s is always used for a sample. So you can use only one column when you are using this function. You can't use two columns in these two functions. So we are calculating the standard deviation and the variance of a given sample. So here given sample is the current value. So we are supposed to enter a variance function in cell G9. So for this we will go to cell G9. This is cell G9 and now we are supposed to use the variance.s function. So we will type equal sign and type variance. So click on the insert function symbol and our number will be again the current values column from E4 up to E20, E6 up to E24. So click OK and we will get the variance. So next thing is we have solved 14 points and 14 points, 28 points, and now I am going to do 16 points. So that is step number 4. So step number 4 is saying that ensure that analysis tool pack is loaded. Create a descriptive statistics summary based on the value of investment in column E. Display the output in cell G12. So now we are supposed to make sure that analysis tool pack is loaded, and so then we will create a descriptive summary based on the current values of the investment in column E. So let me show you how you can ensure that analysis tool pack is loaded. If you are in analysis tool pack, click on the data tab, and if you can see the data analysis here, it means you are making sure that your data analysis tool pack is enabled. If it is not enabled, then you will go to file tab, and after going to the file tab, click on the more options and click on the options. From option you will click on the add-in button, this one, and from manage click on the Excel add-in. You will go there and make sure that this analysis tool pack box is checked, and if it is checked, then click OK, then the data analysis tool pack will be enabled. So my data analysis tool pack is already enabled, so I don't need to make it enable again. But if your data analysis tool pack is not enabled, you can enable like I have shown you in this video. So it is enabled, so I will click on data analysis. Now we are supposed to create a descriptive statistic summary, so I will select the descriptive statistic summary, this one, based on the current value of the investment. So it should be based on the current value. Click OK. So input range will be the current values. And it is saying that display the output in G12. Output should be in G12. So we will click on G12. So ensure that now to create a descriptive summary based on the current value of the investment economy, display the output in G12. So it is based on the current values of the current values, and output is displaying in G12. So let me click on OK. Descriptive statistic, please choose at least one statistical option. Let me show you. So we are supposed to show the summary statistic. So we got the summary statistic like this one. So that is what we are supposed to calculate. So we were supposed to use the data analysis toolpack to create a descriptive summary based on the current values, and we are supposed to display the output in G12. So I have shown you this one. This is the descriptive summary having mean, standard deviation, median, mode, then the standard deviation, standard error, sample variance. So this we have got this by using the summary statistics. So we have solved 44 points for this assignment, and now I am going to do next step, that is step number 5. So next step is step number 5. Formate the mean, median, mode, minimum, maximum and sum in the report as a counting number format. So we are supposed to format the mean as a counting number format, and then after the mean, median and mode. So median, counting number format, mode should be counting number format, minimum and maximum should be counting number format, these two, and sum in the report as a counting number format. So sum should be counting number format as well. And now we are supposed to resize the column. I have already resized this one. So I have solved 14, 14, 28 and then 16 to 44 and then 10. So 54 points assignment I have solved, and I have shown you complete steps how you can complete this. Now for the remaining steps I am going to give you an overview. So next step is step number 6. Use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of commodity values based on the values located in the range I6 up to I10. So now we are supposed to calculate the frequency distribution of the commodity values that are present in the range I6 up to I10, and for this we are supposed to use the frequency function. So let me show you this one. So we are supposed to calculate the frequency for this one, that are the values in I6 up to I10, and I have already calculated the frequency, this one, by using the frequency function, and I have already calculated this one. You can see that frequency distribution for this value is 6, for the second one is 7, and for the third one is 2, and for the, so I have already calculated the frequency distribution. So step number 6 is all about the frequency distribution. So next step is step number 7. Click the trend worksheet and use the correlation function to calculate the correlation of purchase price and the current value listed in the range. So correlation is always between two types of the calculations. So here we have two columns. So first one is correlation price of the purchase price and the current price. So we are going to calculate the correlation between these two prices. First one is the price and the purchase price, and the second one is the current price. We are calculating the correlation between the purchase price and the current price, and for this we will use the correlation function. So in cell D3, first we will go to the trend worksheet, and then we are supposed to go to the D3. So this is D3, and here we are supposed to so we have calculated the correlation here using the current price and the purchase price prices. These are the current and purchase price prices, and we got this correlation value here. So this is the correlation. We got this after using the function. So the last one is step number 8. So in step number 8, it is saying that create a forecast sheet displaying a forecast of purchase price through 1/1/2025. Name the worksheet forecast_2025. So this is make user copy the range. Okay. Then we are supposed to type the function. So it is saying that copy the range B2 C9 on the trend worksheet and paste in cell A1 on the forecast sheet. Type forecast purchase price in cell C1 and 1/1/2025 in cell A9 and in cell C9 enter the formula forecast.ets. So we are supposed to enter this formula in cell C9. So I have already created this forecast sheet. So let me show you this forecast sheet. So this is the forecast sheet we have created. This one is the forecast sheet. So after this is saying that we are supposed to in cell C9 we are supposed to enter this formula. So So this is the complete version of this assignment. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID. I have shown you complete assignment how you can do this assignment in this video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID given in the description of this video. You can get my WhatsApp and email at the bottom of the screen as well. So I will do this assignment for you. I can do this complete course for you, including Excel assignment, Word assignments and PowerPoint assignment. You can hire me for your other courses as well, like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignments as well. So this is the complete version of the assignment. Portfolio sheet, then sheet 2 that have a forecast sheet. We are supposed to rename this sheet, and this trend sheet.